Well, it's hugely positive at the moment. What happened was when the government, the former Conservative government, approached us and said that there was some funding for retrofitting properties, the first thing we did is to survey the estate across the city region and find out what potential there was for spending that money. Then we contacted companies who could help us to retrofit the properties, to carry out the works. And then of course we contacted the residents, and because of all of that we've already spent £110 million and we've done 10,000 properties, but there's several 100,000 more that we also have to try to get retrofitted as soon as possible. Well, of course, it's great for the individual residents, and what we've done is targeted a lot of our interventions on areas where some of those people are in the most deprived communities, and those houses are the least energy efficient. So not only are we ensuring that there's environmental justice, because this helps us to achieve our net zero ambitions, but also there's social justice, because the reduction in bills can be up to £50 a week. Well, we know that often the postcode that you're born in can decide the type of life that you have and the quality of life. And some of the social determinants are living in a home that's warm and clean and homely. So in the Liverpool City region, what we've done with some of the funding that we've got from the national government is to ensure that some of the poorer communities are serviced first. And I've spoken to the people who were beneficiaries of the works that have been carried out, and their lives have been transformed. And of course, you see health improvements, and that means that people aren't presenting often at A&E with respiratory diseases or, with coughs and colds, because the house is warm and clean. So a lot of the ancillary benefits of doing the types of works that we're carrying out are, of course, that the NHS is seeing a reduction in people presenting. We're ensuring that we meet our net zero carbon targets by 2035, because we're not losing a lot of the energy through the building fabric, and we're also seeing the economic benefits to individuals who are saving on fuel costs. We've seen some of our colleges working collaboratively so that they can deliver on certain aspects of retrofitting. So for instance, one of our colleges in Halton, called Riverside, they are doing hydrogen, and they're training young people, apprentices, so that they can move into the hydrogen sector, and they've all got really good jobs, well-paid jobs, highly skilled jobs, and jobs of the future. We've got one college doing electrical installations so that we can improve the number of homes that are able to have charging points for electric vehicles. We've got others that are doing the likes of windows and doors and frames and the main fabric of a building. We've got others that are doing cladding. So each individual college is specialised in one part of retrofitting, and that means that people are getting fully skilled, sometimes multi-skilled, to get these jobs that we know will increase, because the money that we're getting from this new government is going to increase over the years to do even more properties and get the benefits of retrofitting across the whole of the city region.